winsome, welcome back to my channel. And for today's video, as you can see from the title, tuturuan ko po kayo kung paano gumawa ng DIY tie-dye shirt. And since naka-quarantine pa rin po tayo ngayon, naisipan ko pong itry itong DIY tie-dye shirt in an easiest way. At ang ginamit ko lamang po is yung balat ng avocado and at the same time yung buto nito, the seed, and syempre hindi mawawala yung bleach. So kung interesado ka kung paano ko to ginawa, just keep on watching.
One hour later.
As you can see guys, nagkulay pink na yung dating white shirt and then I decided to tie-dye since feeling ko mas gaganda pa ito at mas magmumukhang bago. And then gumamit ako ng fork para matwist ko ng maayos and then spray lang ng bleach para mag-tie-dye.
Many minutes later.
Gumamit ulit ako ng fork para matwist ko ng maayos yung magiging design niya and gumamit na lang ako ng ribbon since wala akong rubber band.
A few moments later.
One, two, three, funky.